Welcome to the VavenCloud panel, your one-stop solution for website and hosting services. This is our main VavenCloud website. Here you can explore services like website development, mobile app development, web hosting, and VPS hosting. The homepage gives you a brief overview of what we offer to help grow your business online. Now I'm clicking on the Login button. To create a new account on the panel, you have to click on the Sign Up button. Here, simply fill out your details, enter your name, email address, and create a password. Make sure to confirm your password correctly. Once your details are filled in, you can go ahead and click on Register to create your account. If you already have an account, click on the Login button instead. You'll be taken to the login page where you can enter your email and password. There's also a Forgot Password option available in case you need to reset your password at any time. After logging in, we land on the dashboard, where all essential tools and details are right at your fingertips. Once logged in, you'll be greeted with a welcome message and a detailed dashboard. This page gives you an overview of recent activity, including invoices, ticket history, and active services. On the right-hand menu, you can click into your profile section to update your name, email, phone number, and address. Here you can also upload a profile picture and manage your personal account details. Next, we move to the Web Hosting tab, where all your hosted domains are listed. You can view each domain status, SSL configuration, and access the control panel with just one click. All domains are marked as active, indicating they are up and running. Clicking on the FTP tab shows your FTP accounts. Each entry lists the username, domain, and connection actions, allowing you to manage file access easily. Under the Email Account section, you can view all created email IDs like info@yourdomain.com. You can create new email accounts, manage existing ones, and monitor their activity. You also have the option to configure email forwarding, where emails from one address are automatically redirected to another. In this example, there's no forwarding set up yet. And finally, the Domain tab shows your domains, their expiry status, and available actions. This ensures your services never go down unexpectedly. Under the My Plans tab, you'll find all subscribed plans, including web hosting and virtual machines. It also displays plan names, amounts. The Payments tab shows your complete invoice history. It includes details like invoice ID, name, date paid, due date, amount, and status. In the VM section, you can view or create virtual machines. The site links out to the official VavenSoft blog, which contains helpful articles on topics like Docker, Puppeteer, and automation tools, a great learning resource. Last but not least, the Support Ticket section. Here you can view submitted tickets, see the ticket subject, type, status, and click Show Details to see more. There's also a Create Ticket button if you need to raise a new issue or query. And that's a complete walkthrough of the VavenCloud panel. With everything from account setup to domain and service management, you're fully equipped to manage your digital presence with ease. Thanks for choosing VavenCloud. Let's build something great together.